This is our own cold pressed coconut oil. You see as a clean, neat. So thank you for watching. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how to make coconut oil, virgin coconut oil or cold pressed coconut oil. So this is my coconut. How we remove this coconut, very easy. It's very easy. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel how we remove it. So join us as we're about to prepare this cold pressed coconut oil. So here we have, I want to peel the back of the coconut. If you want to use coconut, make sure you use a mature coconut. So this one is mature. See the way I peel it. When you are doing it, please be careful with your hand because of the knife. Okay, so we are done with the peeling. Okay, So some of this is still big, so I want to add it inside here so that you don't waste your coconut oil. Something like this. It's like we are washing it, okay? When you do it like this, so we are done with this shaft. We are going to want to dry it. It's very good into powder. So I want to dry it and blend it into powder. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep this on one side here. So usual people, I'm going to dry this coconut, okay, the shaft. This one, I'm going to keep it inside fridge. So visual people, this is our coconut. It has freeze. So we are going to take this one out. Going to keep it inside this plate. So beautiful people, here is our coconut. I'm going to keep it for a room temperature. Okay, so we are here. This is our coconut. As you see, this is coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, you see. So I'm going to save this. So I want to use this cloth to pour it. As you can see, the oil is coming out with water, you see. Beautiful people, here is our coconut. I'm going to keep it for a room temperature, okay, so that we'll get our virgin coconut oil. So beautiful people, here is our coconut oil, okay, virgin coconut oil. I keep it in a room temperature, you see. This is pure coconut oil. So we are going to take the oil out. So this one now, we are going to keep it in a room temperature again, okay. So this one is going to inside fridge. This is pure coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, okay. So inside fridge. So beautiful people, here is our cold pressed coconut oil. You see, this is cold pressed. This is our own cold pressed coconut oil. You see as a clean, neat. So thank you for watching. You see, this is nice. Wow. So here is the shaft of the coconut. So we want to make it into powder. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you where we'll be using this our coconut shaft. Bye bye. Mwah.